In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to make this special vegetable fried rice that is better than takeout. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Danny here again. Today we are making this amazing fried rice recipe. There are different variations of fried rice on my channel, but this one is special. It is different. I know there are like a zillion recipes on how to make fried rice, but this one is totally different. Before we dive right into the video, if you're not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. Now let's get started. These are the ingredients we'll need for our special fried rice. All my ingredients have been properly cleaned and washed. I'm going to be using some red onions, a bit of spring onions, a bit of carrots. I'm also going to use some green peas, ginger and garlic, some sweet corn, some runner beans. I'm also going to use a bit of dark soy sauce, some chili sauce, a bit of light soy sauce. I'm also going to be using my vegetable oil. You can use canola oil. I already fried my shrimp just to make sure everything is fast. I'm also going to be using some butter, a bit of bell pepper. Here I have salt, paprika powder, oregano, thyme, a bit of chili powder and some bouillon cubes, and my rice is already cooked. Into my pot, I'm going to start by adding my butter and my vegetable oil. I'll just let that heat up for a bit, anywhere between 1 to 2 minutes. You want to cook on high heat when cooking this recipe because everything is very fast, especially if you have prepared your ingredients beforehand. Now I'm just going to add my onions and I'll fry this until fragrant, anywhere between 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'm going to go in with my chopped ginger and garlic. I'll also give this a quick stir. You want to make sure that it is fragrant before you start adding anything, and the moment you add your ginger and garlic, you can definitely tell a difference, so you want to make sure you're adding that. I'm now going to go in with my carrots and my runner beans. This is because they're the hardest of all my vegetables here. I want them to cook a bit before adding the other ones. That is why I'm adding them first. I'll cook this on high heat for about 2 to 3 minutes, making sure to stir continuously. Now I'm going to go in with my green peas and my sweet corn. Then I'll give this a really good stir. After stirring that thoroughly, now I'm going to go in with my spices and seasonings. Let me also state that you can always customize your spices and seasonings to your preferred ones or to your favorite ones. You don't have to use exactly what I have used here. However, the full ingredient list and their quantities of this particular recipe is going to be in the description box, so please check it out. While we are here, in case you're not subscribed, hi everyone, my name is Daniel. I'm a digital content creator and YouTuber based in Port Harcourt, Nigeria. I share recipe videos like this one. I also share a bit of my lifestyle in vlogs. If that sounds like your thing, if you love premium content, you should click on the subscribe button. It is free. You can also turn on your post notification bells to get notified when I post videos. And if you do find this video helpful, please click on the like button. After adding my spices and seasoning, my chicken seasoning and also my bell peppers, now I am going to give this a really good stir. I'll let this cook for about 2 minutes before adding any other thing to it. After allowing that cook, now I'm going to go in with my chili sauce and my rice. As you guys can see, my rice are very separated, which is what you want. I'm using golden Sela basmati rice for this recipe. You can use any other rice, but I have found that golden Sela basmati rice always gives me what I am looking for, the appropriate and the best result. So if you can get it, please get it. If you have it, please use it. This is how you want to make sure your rice is. It has to be very separated. It doesn't have to be all gummy and whatnot. And the best way to get this is to make sure that you're cooking your rice at the same level as your water. You just have to cook it for a bit. Golden Sela basmati rice doesn't take long to cook, so that's a good one. Anyways, I'm just going to stir this properly and combine thoroughly. You want to make sure that this is properly incorporated. You want to make sure that everything in this pot is properly incorporated and everything is properly mixed together, so you don't have rice on one side and sauce on one side. You do not want that. Now I'm going to go in with my light and dark soy sauce. You can use either of them or both of them, but I always choose to go with both of them just because I'm extra. Then I'm also going to go in with my spring onions. Now I'm going to stir that and combine again thoroughly. Mind you, I am still cooking on high heat. You want to make sure you're cooking on high heat, you guys. After stirring that thoroughly, now I'm going to go in with my shrimp. You can also use chicken if you have that available, and it's going to really bang. You guys, that's how we make this special vegetable fried rice recipe. Please, if you do find the video helpful, kindly click the like button. Also leave a comment letting me know what you think about the recipe. See you guys in my next video. Bye.